Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Saifullah and I welcome you all to STEM International. अपनी आज की इस वीडियो में हम ग्रेड 4 की कंप्यूटर की बुक कीपैड के चैप्टर नंबर 8 आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस चैट जीपीटी को स्टडी करेंगे। इस चैप्टर में हम ये देखेंगे कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को हम किस तरह से ट्रेन करते हैं और अपनी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में ये हमें किस तरह से हेल्प आउट करता है और हमारी ज़िंदगी को आसान बनाता है। तो चलिए चलते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 8 आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस चैट जीपीटी की तरफ।
चैप्टर नंबर 8 आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस चैट जीपीटी Artificial intelligence and smart technology. Artificial intelligence (AI) is a technology that allows machines and computers to perform tasks that need human intelligence. These tasks include learning from information, understanding language, recognizing images, and making decisions. Smart technology uses AI to make devices work automatically and intelligently. Smart devices can sense their surroundings, learn from user habits, and respond quickly. Examples include smartphones, smart TVs, smart speakers, and smart home systems. AI and smart technology help people save time, improve safety, and make daily life easier. How AI learns? AI learns by using large amounts of information called data. Just like students learn from books and teachers, AI learn from examples. AI learning happens in simple steps. It is given data, pictures, words, numbers, or sounds. It looks for patterns in the data. It improves its answer through practice. The more data it gets, the better it performs. AI does not learn by thinking on its own. It learns only from the information and rules provided by humans. Advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Advantages of AI. AI works very fast and accurately. It helps students learn better through smart tools. AI saves time by doing repeated tasks. It improves safety through smart cameras and alarms. AI is available 24 hours 7 without getting tired. Some disadvantages of AI. AI depends completely on data given by humans. It cannot understand emotions like humans. Overuse of AI can reduce thinking skills. AI tools may give wrong or incomplete information. Privacy risks may occur if used carelessly. अब हम एक चैटबॉट को पढ़ते हैं, एक AI टूल को पढ़ते हैं जिसका नाम है चैट जीपीटी, a smart example of AI. ChatGPT is an AI-based chatbot that understands questions written in simple languages and replies with helpful answers. It is trained using a lot of text data, which helps it answer questions, explain topics, and generate ideas. ChatGPT is used for explaining concepts, helping with writing, answering questions, generating ideas, or learning new topics. ChatGPT should be used as a learning assistant, not as a replacement for teachers or books. What ChatGPT can do? ChatGPT can answer general knowledge questions, explain school topics in simple language, help write paragraphs, stories, or summaries, give ideas for projects or activities, help correct grammar and sentence structure. ChatGPT cannot think, feel, or make decisions like humans. It only responds based on patterns in data. ChatGPT interface. Its basic understanding. The ChatGPT interface is simple. A text box where you type your question, a response area where ChatGPT applies. You can continue the conversation by asking more questions. Students should always use ChatGPT with teacher or parent guidance. Writing a prompt. A prompt is the question or instructions given to ChatGPT. A good prompt is clear and polite, uses complete sentences, explains what you want. Examples of a good prompt. Explain in simple words for class 5. Some etiquettes for writing prompts. While using ChatGPT, students should use polite language, write clear and specific prompts, ask one question at a time, use simple and correct words, thank or politely end the request. Good etiquette helps get better responses and promotes responsible AI use. Things you should not do in ChatGPT. Students must never share personal information, name, address, school. Use ChatGPT to cheat in exams or homework. Ask harmful or inappropriate questions. Believe all answers without checking. Depend on AI without thinking. Always verify information from teachers or textbooks. Creating an image in ChatGPT. AI can also generate images by following text instructions given by the user. This means that when we clearly describe a picture in words, AI can create an image based on that description. These instructions are called prompts. Example prompts. Create a colorful birthday invitation card with balloons, a cake, and the words Happy Birthday written on it. Image generation is helpful for school projects, making posters and visual content. Creativity and art ideas, designing cards, drawings, and decorations. Visual learning, understanding ideas better through pictures. Students should use image generation only for educational and creative purposes. Personal details such as full names, phone numbers, or addresses should never be included, and adult guidance is recommended when using AI tools.
जी तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये था हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 8 चैट जीपीटी, जिसमें हमने चैट जीपीटी को इस्तेमाल करते हुए मुख्तलिफ ऑपरेशंस को परफॉर्म किया। हमने देखा कि चैट जीपीटी हमारी किस तरह से मदद कर सकता है, इसके यूजेस देखे, इसके एडवांटेजेस देखे और इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस भी देखे। एक दफ़ा इस चैप्टर को रिव्यू करते हैं।
रिव्यू। AI makes machines intelligent. Smart technology uses AI to help daily life. AI learns from data and examples. ChatGPT is a smart AI chatbot. Prompts must be written clearly and politely. AI has both benefits and limitations. Responsible and safe use of AI is important.